Hello friends, welcome in our channel आपकी पसंदीदा रसोई. Today we are going to represent a recipe of cut potato with gram seeds. You have to take boiled you have to boil the potatoes and gram seeds in the pressure cooker in saline water. Now come on the ingredients. Onion, tomatoes, green chili, curd, red chili powder, garlic cloves, bay leaf, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander, salt according to the taste. First of all, we have to grind the tomatoes, onion, and green chili, and the garlic cloves with it. Then we have to make them grind. After grind, lit up the gas stove and heat the pan. Put some oil in it. Let the oil heat up. Then firstly take the bay leaf, then cumin seeds, then let them heat up. Then take the astafodia, then we have to put the grinded material in the oil, heated oil. Stir it well. Let it heat up and get ready till the oil won't leave the part of the gravy. Then we have to add the spices in the curd: turmeric, coriander, red chili powder, and salt according to the taste. Then we have to mix them well. We have to just put the paste in the already preheated gravy in the pan. Stir it well. With the help of spoon. Stir it well till the oil won't leave the gravy. Then we have to put potatoes, already pre-boiled, pre-cutted potatoes and gram seeds in it. Mix it well. You have to like and share. Thank you.
पाउडर का नाम वगैरह है ना?
नहीं बोला है मैंने.
मेरे को